Merhaba lil kulhat, Yasimini Myron. Welcome everyone, my name is Myron. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the words for many of the different animals in Maltese. So let's get started. The first one I'd like to teach you is the Maltese word for the animals, where for this we say L-Annimali. That's L-Annimali. And if you don't already know, this right here, the L and the hyphen, is the Maltese article. In other words, it is the way that we say the word the in Maltese. And then of course, Annimali means animals, making this entire translation to be the animals, as you can see down here in the black there. Okay, now let's move on to a word for an actual animal now. Okay, here we go. So this word on the screen right here is atus. That's atus. And this means cat in Maltese. Okay, now let's take a look at the next one. Kelp. That's kelp. And this means dog in Maltese. Okay, the next one. Tijeja. Tijeja. Chicken. Batra. Batra. Cow. Hanzir. Hanzir. Pig. Naja. Naja. Sheep. Moza. Moza. Goat. Ziemel. Ziemel. Horse. Fennec. Fennec. Rabbit. Jordan. Jordan. And this means mouse. And with this, I just want to quickly say that if you're finding this vocabulary really fun to learn, then why not take it a step further and download my free ebook from the description below, which contains all of the most popular Maltese words. This will really speed up how quickly you can start speaking Maltese confidently in real-life scenarios with locals, friends and family. Now, let's take a look at the next animal. Khmar. Khmar. Donkey. Fekruna. Fekruna. Turtle. Papra. Papra. Duck. Asfour. Asfour. Bird. Huta. Huta. Fish. Ilionfant. Ilionfant. Elephant. Iljun. Iljun. Lion. Giraffe. 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 Horse. Horse. Bear. Serp. Serp. Snake. Shadina. Shadina. Monkey. Crocodile. 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 And by the way, if you're currently enjoying this video and want to learn even more Maltese vocab and how to structure real Maltese sentences easily in real life scenarios, go to the description below right now and click on the link to access my online Maltese language course. Okay, next animal. Rhinoceros. 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 Hippopotamu. Hippopotamu. Hippopotamus. Skoiatlu. Skoiatlu. Squirrel. Cerv. Cerv. Deer. Zrinj. Zrinj. Frog. Now, regarding my online Maltese course that I was literally just talking about, you will not only gain access to on-demand lessons about more animals, but also a private community with other students where you can learn from each other, and lessons on conjugating verbs, basic phrases, everyday communication, and much, much more. So I really hope to see you there, and if not, I'll see you in the next YouTube video. Narak dalwat.